Fortnite now offers Houseparty video calls on PC, PS4, and PS5. Users need to have the Houseparty app installed on an iOS or Android device, which they can then use as a sort of functional webcam. That might seem like a convoluted way to do things, but at the same time, given how social Fortnite gaming is, maybe this is really the easiest way to go. Everyone's got a device on hand, right? Quoting Engadget. The integration is clearly meant for close friends and families, the groups you would normally organize in private parties or Discord servers rather than superstar streamers. Houseparty has recognized the possible privacy implications. The company has emphasized that the Houseparty service is restricted to people over the age of 13, and only your Houseparty friends, as well as the friends of anyone in the room, will be able to join your call. You can also block people, and if you want to cap the number of participants, hit the lock button at any time. Finally, every webcam feed will be cropped around the player's face and given a colorful background. What about other platforms such as Xbox and Nintendo? For now, they're incompatible. Quote, "We will let everyone know if we're able to support more platforms in the future," the Fortnite team said in a press release, end quote.